you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying.
Here we are.
Don't be giving me the up and down. I don't need that shit.
Nico, are you ready to go on the hike of a lifetime, guys? Ready to go camping? Oh yeah, we ready. We got s'mores, we got bison burgers, we got Ram going to the street. Get over here. We got hot dogs, we got White Claws. Ain't no laws when you're drinking claws. It's gonna be a great time. Break number 1. So, how hard is this hike? Are you? It's not hard, huh? No. Say no, it's not hard. It's not hard.
Yeah, was that the hardest part?
Nope.
Oh, hell.
We're at the Hobo House. Mama's checking it out. We're all hella tired. Feeling like we're gonna die. It's like 100 degrees outside. Just kidding. But it's really, really beautiful out today. Look at all that. My mom's trying to get his harness off and he is so worn out. He won't even move. Hello. We just finished our massages at the pepper mill. We can't record anything in there, so I didn't take y'all with, but we are now at Pine State Biscuits. We all ordered our food already. Hugo has pancakes, but I will show you once it gets here.
Don't you know, it's getting low, it's getting hot, 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 hot. Any secrets to be a part of me. Any hot, any hot.